ever asked a question and you didn't get a satisfactory answer? Many times, many times. Because that person did not have the knowledge or the understanding. But the thing is, you can always get to someone else who can be able to help you to understand fully. We are surrounded with a lot of counselors, in churches, in our schools, in our homes. We are surrounded with people who can help us get straight answers, but most of the times we choose to go to peers.
We are at Pcea Emmanuel Church at Kangoya, that is in Kiambu Parish. Today we were very privileged to have the Good News Production International Africa with us, and they came to us with a lot of goodies, and we have learned a lot and we have benefited from them, from their knowledge.
I want you to think about this. Our mom has spoken about peer pressure. Whatever peer pressure that you've been influenced by your friends and you've been taking in, it will affect you alone. I promise you. When you carry that pregnancy, when you get that an STD or whatever it is, it will be you alone. Think about it. We've been told choices have consequence. So whatever choice you make, you carry it alone. You'll go back to your parents alone.
I've learned a lot from all of you, and I thank God because I came. I've learned and have been reminded that whatever choice that you make, you are you and you alone. Hawa hawatakuwa hapo when you're going through what you're going through if you mess up. So tutilia maanani kenye tumefunzwa.
Sometimes the help we give to each other is not satisfying enough. And sometimes it can even be misleading. Sometimes they mean to mislead us, and sometimes they don't quite mean that is all they know.
Hi, my name is Shalin Karimi. Tuko Pcea Emmanuel Kangoya. Today GNPI wamekuja huku, and I've learned a lot of things and it has been fun. Tumefunzwa kuhusu cleanliness and also peer pressure. So na pia tumeambiwa kuwa firm. A no is a no, a yes is a yes. Shouldn't be like Rebecca. No yake ilikuwa no. Like hako firm. We need to be firm with ourselves, and we should always make the right decisions, because as we always know, choices have consequences, whether they are good or bad. So we should just look at for ourselves.
God gives us another chance, but after we mess up, God is able to forgive us and to help us to get another opportunity in life.
We have to, choices have consequences, that is what I can say, because kitambo was like, no, this maybe not, but today I've learned. Many times nimeambiwa, but hii nimesikia imeingia kwa akili vizuri.
What Good News Production has brought to us is necessary for us because it has taught us many things, and it's also necessary for other people to know how the global world is changing, and it also has to be a technical thing for us to train ourselves.
I'm thankful for GNPI. They've been here, the whole team, the whole crew. Wasawa, wametufunza vitu nyingi na ningependa wakam tena, because every day is a learning new experience.
Thanks GNPI for the best films. Wamenibu, wameni-enlighten about some difficult things in life, how to make the right decisions, to stop engaging in bad companies, and disengage in drugs, with drugs that we used to say.
I would like to say thank you, Good News Production. You've really encouraged us and you've really helped us. We pray to God that He may at our bless and He will shower you with blessings. Thank you for coming.